Hey guys, welcome back. This is the second video in my KDE Neon running for a week, so the Distro Shuffle. I left you guys here when I just installed KDE Neon. We did a walkthrough of it, and yeah, let's start from here. So let's go and make it my own. First of all, I would like to start with installing some software, of course. Software like KDE Live. So as you can see, we have two options here. I will just go every time with the first one. So basically, like it is intended by the OS. So put in my password. I would like to have GIMP on my machine. Audacity. OBS. What else? OBS Studio, LibreOffice. So I would like to have Calc. I would like to have Impress, Writer. Draw. And this one as well. Okay, that was LibreOffice. VLC was already installed, as far as I know. Yeah, VLC is already installed. Firefox is installed. GIMP is gonna be installed. Office. So I think most of the applications are there right now. So in the meantime, let's go over some settings. Global theme. We have now the breeze dark. You know I will always like the arc. So the arc KDE, I will install that one. And we see more beautiful. Yeah, there are a lot of beautiful themes, but let's keep it with arc for now. And I will apply it. So that's good. Plasma style is also set to arc. Application style. It's currently set to Fusion. No, let's set it to Breeze. I like this more. Colors. Arc dark, that's fine. Fonts. Noto, that's fine. Icons. Let's try the papyrus. Is already installed. Okay, so that's the default one. Sets for dark. Now let's search for paper. No, not there. So let's leave it as is. Workspace behavior. I would like to have double click instead of single click. Desktop effects is fine by me. I'm not going to do anything about this. I won't know hot corners. Yes, apply. I don't have a touch screen, so screen locking automatically after, let's make it 15 minutes. Yeah, apply, lock screen appearance. We'll do that later. Virtual desktops, it's also fine by me for now. Activities, also fine. Workspace management, title bars, movement. I don't think that I will change anything here. Shortcuts, Dolphin, it's now set to meta.m. I won't like it, not Shift F, because that's the way I used to using it. And let's add one for internet. Let's go for Firefox web browser. The Firefox web browser I would like to launch with mod F. Apply it. Terminal. System console. Console launch with a custom one. Mod T. Apply. The default standard shortcuts. Close a window. Close. Ctrl W. Okay, seems to be okay. I don't like this breeze one, so let's get some new ones. Let's install this one, see what it is. Okay, let's like it this, so yeah, I like that. Apply. And this is the nicest thing of Linux, you have to confirm everything by password, so if you apply it, then it's pretty good. Okay, auto start, don't do anything. Background services fine, desktop sessions. Yeah. Put splash screen. Let's get some new one. So much that you can adjust in KDE. Like it though, but so many things that you can change. Let's search for KDE. Let's make it nice. Let's install that one, so that we know that we're on KDE Neon. apply that one. Okay, the programs are installed. This one is thinking about it. Okay. Splash screen. Okay, search. File search is good, so account details is also fine by me. Connections is fine by me. Input devices. I only have the mouse, so nothing to handle here, it's fine. Display monitor, audio. HDMI default. Headphones later, microphone default, that's fine. Okay, power management. Dim screen after 10 minutes, something like that. Energy saving mode. Yes, that's fine. Okay, apply. KDE connector, don't do anything. I don't have printers. Me for storage is fine. System information, we already looked at 15.18.3 KDE Plasma. So, yeah. This is fine by me. So now we have to get some nice wallpaper. Normally we go for configure desktop. And let's maximize it. So for now we can do picture of the day. Bing Flickr. Let's go with Unsplash and apply. Probably we'll do it a bit differently, but maybe later. So we get a nice wallpaper. There's a couple of things that are missing here, but it's probably because we switched everything and we need to restart. So let's add some widgets. I would like to have the system monitor right here. And I would like to have the weather report right here. So let's configure this one. I'm gonna use the BBC one. And I'm gonna look for a place near me. Select that one, that's fine. Appearance, apply. Appearance, I want the temperature inside my window. Apply. Units is good, so okay. So we have this now here. Let's check. Okay, we also have the wireless, so everything on wireless is also very good. So let's connect. So if I take my machine out of the docking station, it's also connected. Let's adjust this one. Show date. apply. For the calendar, show week numbers, apply. Let's do the holidays as well. Time zones, holidays, NL, touch. NL. Okay. This is looking nice. Background's looking nice. My programs are installed. Let's see what versions is now installed. So GIMP. What version of GIMP is installed? Oh, that's a pretty old one as far as I can see. About 2.8. Okay. Single window mode. Why is my double click not working for the window? I have to check that one. Firefox we already checked, right? Which version it was, but let's do it again. Help about Firefox version 74. So that's good. Then multimedia, Audacity. Starting nicely 2.2.1. So seen that one. KDE and Live. KDE and Live is starting nicely. About KDE and Live 19.12.3. So this is a pretty new one. Oh, I have to check that one. Because I like to double click and then to maximize my window. And what else do we have? OBS. So let's run the wizard. So if I would do this one, should be fine, right? Yay. So that's set up. VLC Media was already installed, so let's see what version of LibreOffice is installed in this machine now. About LibreOffice 6.0, so that's not the newest one at least. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. This is the way I would use it. Might do something with the wallpapers, but the colors are now set correctly. I like my icons now, looking good. Yeah, this is how I would use it. So I'm gonna use it for a week now, and I might change a couple of things afterwards, but for now this is the way I'm gonna use it, and I will see you in the next one. Guys, have fun with Linux. Bye for now.